Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming myself into Ned Flanders from The Simpsons. So if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I glued my brows off camera, so we're just going to hop right into applying the bald cap. Since I'm not wearing this look out, I'm not going to bother sealing it from the back, so I just secure my hair back in a ponytail and smooth down the edges using liquid latex. Now it's time to start mapping out the character's features. I use black eyeshadow for this step, not only because it's easier to see, but also because it wipes away easily if you make a mistake. The one that I'm using is by Ben Nye, but you can use any shadow for this step. I found these cotton squares on Amazon that I use to wipe away the bigger mistakes, and they literally save me so much time. I just add a few drops of my toner on them, and they completely erase any mess ups so that I can just start over. I'll link them below for you guys. They're an absolute must, and they come in like a pack of 100 for super cheap. Now I'm getting started on the bottom half of Ned. If you separate the character into two parts, it makes it easier to focus on one area at a time without getting overwhelmed. I didn't realize that the camera stopped filming until after I filled in my one eye. For all of my paints, I use the Mayron Paradise palette. This set is huge and has so many colors to choose from, so I'll link this below for you guys as well. It's about $100, but this thing lasts forever.
What is it, Ned? The good Lord is telling me to confess to something. Oh, shh. That's good enough for me.
I thought it would be funny to poke fun at his overly religious personality by having him wear a rainbow sweater in support of Gay Pride Month. Although I didn't wind up posting this until after June ended, but Pride Month is every month if you ask me. Now it's time to make the cartoon pop with some outlining. You'll want to get a really thin paintbrush for this step. I got this one at AC Moore, so you don't need to splurge to get good brushes. I've always found that the cheap ones are better anyways. I'm just going in with a little bit of shadow to darken the mouth area, and then I'm connecting his glasses and then drawing in those pupils. I noticed that his mustache was getting a little lost on the one side of my face, so I grabbed some paper and decided to make that one side pop out to match the other. Now I'm just blocking out my nose holes, and here's the finished look. I hope that you guys love this one as much as I do, and if you do, make sure to give me a thumbs up down below. That really helps me out. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.